actually wrote myself.
Yay!
It's hard to fly with broken wings, but that it's just something that heartbreak brings. And you and I made a logical pair, but somehow the weather changed while we were mid-air. And now this nest up in this tree got a whole lot lonelier when you decided to leave. And I'm stuck up here and so scared of heights, 'cause you're the only one that can make me fly. I was a little late 'cause we didn't work, and you flew south without even a thought. I guess forgetting me wasn't that hard, 'cause this nest up in this tree is so damn lonely now since you left. Say goodbye. Someone out there, 'cause these broken wings just need someone. Can anyone help me? Is there someone out there? 'Cause these broken wings just need some repair. Can anyone help me? Is there someone out there? 'Cause these broken I'm stuck up here and so scared of heights. Is there any